Hello, I'm Emily Lookoff. I'm here with the Glee team, and today I'll be going over a quick summary of Activity 2 transmitting LunaSat data on Module 9 RF communication. Essentially, this activity is much like the previous one, where we will be transmitting data from one LunaSat to another LunaSat. Now, both LunaSats should already be labeled from Activity 1. If not, determine which LunaSat would be your transmitting LunaSat and which will be your receiving LunaSat, and determine which port corresponds to which LunaSat. Make sure to label these to avoid confusion. Similarly to the previous activity, both the code for the transmitting LunaSat, in this case it'll be transmitting temperature data, and the receiving LunaSat must both have the same team ID number in order to receive the data. In this case, the transmitting LunaSat, once it's plugged in and the code is downloaded, you will place your finger over the temperature sensor on the back of the LunaSat, record the maximum temperature that the sensor reaches once your finger is on it, and then change the threshold temperature on the code in order so that it will transmit the data once the temperature sensor reaches that threshold. Then you will switch over to your receiving LunaSat, make sure your code is uploaded, open the serial monitor, place your finger on the temperature sensor on the transmitting LunaSat, and monitor your serial monitor to see if it transmits the data once that threshold has been reached, and to make sure that the receiving LunaSat does receive that data. And that is a quick summary of transmitting LunaSat data.